Okay, you want to go to hospital?
When I pulled behind the vehicle, they did this weird thing where they pulled into a parking lot almost like they were trying to lose me.
I am one woman. That's necessary.
Sheriff's office.
You want the taser? Is that what you want? Out of here. Get the fuck on the ground. Fucking told you, drop the fucking. Come over, hands up to him now.
Oh my God. So right now we're going to a welfare check at the Petrick Park. Apparently there's a homeless male asking for help near the bathrooms by the trash can. Appears to be altered mental status. So we're gonna go check to make sure he's all right. Hello. Are you the one who called?
Yeah, I am.
So what's going on?
Lady came over and told me that you were here calling.
I've been out here.
24 hour with the mail. You think it's heat exhaustion? Okay, you want to go to hospital? Huh?
I need some help.
You need help? Yeah, medical's here. What's your name, bud? Jeffrey what?
Yes.
Bess?
I just got released from a warrant escape for yesterday.
Okay. He needs medical, he said. He said he believes it's like heat exhaustion or so. I mean, it's not that hot out right now, but.
How long you been laying here?
Shit, 5 or 6 hours, but it was good for me. But I need a stone or something. That's all right.
All right, you want to go to the hospital?
No, I want some ice water.
You want some ice water?
Drinking water, something of water, or too much wrong.
Can you get up?
No, well I can, but every joint and muscle wants to cramp. And I ain't got the
Well, if you can't get up and take care of yourself,
well,
we can't
I
leave you
can
here.
with some help. My friend Lexi will put me a spare on one leg, or after 20 minutes, if I get some sugar, water, you know.
Do you know what town you're in right now? You know where it is?
Down by the head.
All right, so you just want help up and you want some water.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need transport, medical transport.
You want to go to the hospital
I
then?
want to go to the library today, but it would require a wheelchair or something.
The library?
Yeah.
But we don't go to the library. We take you to the hospital.
I don't have a cell phone.
All right, bud, they're gonna take you to the hospital, all right?
JD over here.
They'll get you some fluids and everything like that. All right? What's your name again, bud?
Jeffrey Charles Best.
Oh, okay.
Like
Best, like B-E-S-T? Okay. Oh, bet. Gotcha. Okay. You have a shirt? Where at? Bathroom?
30 block towards the highway.
Oh.
Towards the highway.
Towards the highway?
Yeah, that away.
I don't see a shirt.
Last night.
Sounds like it needs some WD-40. Code 4.
ourselves.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's house. Come on, man.
Gotcha.
No coke if you sit up.
Wait. Can you do it my way, please?
What? No, it's
Need to
fine.
relax.
Okay, bend your knees.
I get one at a time. I roll my stomach. Either stand me close and straight up. Knees rock. One at a time.
No, bend your knees.
I can't do that.
You can't do that. Come on. Hold on, bend your knees. There you go.
Ow. I'm not going to stand there and yell, please. Ow.
Come on.
Ow.
Couple steps back. Swing it like that.
Cool if I pat you down real quick, bud. Just make sure you don't have a gun, knives, anything like that. All right. he's good. Thanks, guys. Need anything from me? Cool. What's your name again, bud? Charles, right?
Hey, what's your name? You were just talking. What's your name?
Ugh. All right, so it's more of a medical call. So right now he's stating that he was dehydrated. So medical's gonna transport him to Desert View Hospital where he'll get some medical treatment that he wants. So that's it.
Traffic.
Job 19.
The parking lot of Subway, Nevada 973, William 13, dark gray Mazda SUV.
Check.
What's up, bro?
Hey, how's it going? Deputy Cunningham, Knight County Sheriff's Office. The reason I stopped you, I got you at 50 and a 35.
How?
Radar.
We weren't going 50. I'm not trying to argue with you at all, man.
Was
We
I
were
really?
literally.
Yeah.
You got to be kidding
I gotta. So
I'm not
they
trying to
they
argue,
they train us to visually estimate, and so I see you.
I can almost
Yeah.
guarantee you, we were doing 37 miles an hour. It's 2 miles over. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. But we were doing. I was watching it. We
I
were doing
swear to
30
you,
because I had
there's
just
no
gotten
way.
on her. I was like, Mama, don't speed. It was 37, bro. I'm not trying to argue at all. I
I
promise.
trust me. I've gotten enough.
At what
tickets here to
point?
know.
Literally right the whole way since we turned the corner. I got on her. It was 37 miles an hour. boss.
Yeah.
Radar is pretty accurate.
That's
So
fine. I'm not gonna
do you
argue
have
with you. I got you.
do you have your license and insurance?
Yes, sir. Sorry about that, man. I
You're
promise.
good. To be honest with you, I really don't give too many speeding tickets.
I get you, boss.
I know, but I have it in here. Just give me a few seconds. Sorry. I have so much crap in here. It's not even.
Job 19.
Sorry about that, boss.
Good.
Job 19 license 973 William 13. Return
License
to
and
-1 suspended, not valid. As of 4/27/2023 on a 2020 Mazda vehicle utility registered by Martin versus Amanda had a prom. Also showing expired insurance as of 2/15/2023.
Copy. Will you run the RO? That's the driver.
Okay.
I think it's kind of funny. I think this is like the third person tonight I've pulled over with the same exact last name. None of them are related, but the plates are coming back suspended. Yeah, I don't know if you guys caught it, but when I pulled behind the vehicle, they did this weird thing where they pulled into a parking lot almost like they were trying to lose me. So, and they're kind of argumentative about the speed, even though I have it on radar, and I think they know their plates are suspended or something's not right.
Job 19, last of Martin, first of Amanda, date of birth 5/10/81, return to -1, so the valid Class C Charles, expiring 5/10/2031, negative restriction.
Copy, thank you. Your plates are suspended.
What?
Yeah.
Are they really, boss?
What?
Yeah, your plates are suspended.
Oh, fuck. Why would
What does
they
that
be
mean?
suspended?
So something with the DMV, they cancel your plates.
Is there anything we can do about that, or what's gonna go on with that? Can we pay it tomorrow?
Do you have insurance?
I don't. Not at this moment. No.
Okay,
it
that's-
just lapsed.
That's probably what it was then. Because
What
when
the
it
hell?
lapses, usually they'll suspend your
Is
plates.
there anything we could
Okay,
do
that's not
about?
like California.
Can we just get home tonight and I'll get that all fixed
Please,
out
I
tomorrow
won't
with the
even-
DMV
I promise
boss?
you, I won't
Stop.
put my car on the road.
Stop. I'll get this all fixed tomorrow morning. First thing, I swear to God, you won't see this car on the road until it's
I
paid up, boss.
swear.
If you could please just let my mom get home tonight. We have 2 little siblings, man. It was
Okay.
my fault we even went to the
Alright.
casino.
So
I promise you it'll be paid tomorrow.
I have to cite you for the suspended
okay.
and the insurance.
Stop.
That's fine.
Yes, sir.
Do you have personal insurance?
Do I? I
Yeah.
don't in this vehicle,
Okay.
boss.
I'll even park it here and have it towed.
Promise you,
Okay.
I can even drive home.
that's fine. All right, if you guys can resolve it to where it's not on the road, I won't tow it. Okay.
Okay,
Can I just drive it home?
AAA. I have
Or-
AAA. No, I have
Yeah,
AAA.
get AAA. That's
AAA.
best option because if it goes back on the road, it gets towed.
There's no way I can even get to. We're literally too. Can you follow me to the house with the lights on?
No, I wish.
Okay,
we
but
can't do
you
it.
swear if I get AAA, you're not gonna tow the car?
No.
Okay, how much is that citation
I
gonna
have-
be, boss?
I have AAA.
I want to say insurance is like $6, suspended is $250.
So it's about $800.
Yeah.
Okay.
If
cool.
you guys
And
get
that's
it,
all that'll come of this?
yeah. If you get it,
Awesome. We're gonna get towed right now, boss.
if you get it resolved, typically the courts are pretty cool about it.
Okay, cool. So if I have insurance in a different vehicle, am I able to drive this car home?
If it's driver specific,
I don't know. I have
yes.
liability, man, on my Honda Civic in California.
If it's specific for a vehicle, then no. But if you're just like an insured driver, then yes.
Okay.
Because there's two different types.
Okay, I'm not even gonna try it. We'll call AAA just to be sure.
right. But they don't have insurance, lights or license plates are suspended, so we're gonna handle that. Get some citations. Makes a lot more sense, you know. A lot of the times when you get behind a vehicle, you'll see what I call avoidance behavior, where they'll try to do everything they can to distance themselves from you, and usually that's a huge red flag as to, you know, their registration's not up to date, they might have drugs in the car, somebody's got a warrant. So watching their behavior and trying to get away from you is huge. Hey, what's up?
Can I run in somewhere and go pee, man? I've been hollering for a second. I felt like.
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
I don't want to get nobody in trouble, dude. I've had to pee since you left the casino. Man.
you're good.
Thank you so much, dude.
Sorry,
All
go
right,
ahead.
you're good. Here's your license back.
Thank you.
Yep. All right. So you got to respond to the prompt justice court by 9/12/23.
Okay, September.
Yep, and it's just insurance and suspended registration. If you go get insurance, get your registration fixed. Usually the courts are pretty cool about it.
Okay.
They'll work with you.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Yep,
This is
no
the cutest
problem.
ticket I've ever gotten.
It's like CVS prints our tickets.
Oh my god.
All right. So they're gonna have AAA come and pick the vehicle up. Otherwise, I'd have to tow it myself, based on no insurance and suspended plates. So that's the one thing I like is I'll find PC on a vehicle, follow it for a second, and watch for those avoidance behaviors I was talking about earlier.
Bowling, Wilson, Lincoln Robert Yellow, 6080. I can't read the state, yeah, but it's going to be a black SUV, or sorry, black sedan. Hello, Deputy Wills, Nye County Sheriff's Office. So the reason I stopped you, you just rolled through the stop sign, that stop sign back there, and then I can't read your plate because you have your little cover over it.
What?
I can't read your plate because you have your cover, your little, over your shield, or your plate.
You still read the, I thought you just did the number.
I can't get the state though because it's blocked off. Yeah.
Sorry. Just put on my insurance.
Okay. And what state is it?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Okay, you got the registration for it?
So I just got the car out here not long ago. Pennsylvania. So I had the car at my aunt's for a while. I just got out here in November. I can't remember exactly when I got the car out here. So I just had a.
Do you have the registration?
Trying to get the title.
All right. Do you have the registration in here?
I do not. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I think it might be expired.
24. Can you run it out of Pennsylvania? It's going to be Lincoln Robert Yellow, 6080. Copy. All right, cool. Thank you. I just need the VIN real quick.
Yeah, that's the reason I think it's expired. Usually.
Here, can you pop?
inspection's not far.
Can you pop the door? I just need a VIN. All right, just sit tight. You can close it. So his license is valid, which is good. I was able to take a picture of his insurance, so we're gonna see. I believe it was valid too, so I'm gonna check real quick. 8/18/23, cool. So his insurance is good. His license is good. Registration's expired as of 4/30/2023. So we'll cut him a break. He's been cool. He has 2 out of the 3 things. Insurance, which is important. We'll just rip him a new one. Tell him to get his registration taken care of. If not, we can technically tow it. So we'll just cut him a break today. So, all right, Austin, I'm gonna cut you a break. All right, get your vehicle registered. All right, because technically I can tow it.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna.
So I had the car at my aunt's for a while. I was already living out here.
Mm-hmm.
I was working at Capriotti's until they closed.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm at Area 51. So I'm running the dog food, holding my dog, and then I was gonna go there and start work 8 to 2:30 area, and then I go to Sonic right after. 4 o'clock.
Just get it registered though. I mean, yeah, because if not, I could technically tow it. Any officer might tow it. So
Do you need the title to get it registered?
I don't know. You'd have to contact the DMV. Typically, what you'll probably need, you can actually register it online.
Could you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. You can.
Really online stuff though. No.
Yeah. So.
Going there sometimes a headache.
Yeah, it's a headache. So just go there, not go there, but try it online. Because I registered my new car, brand new car. I registered that. You just need the VIN. For what I remember is you need the VIN, which obviously you know where it's at.
Yeah.
And then you just need the your information and stuff like that. And then it should give you step by step of what you got to do. So
You're saying it probably doesn't sound like I need the title then, huh?
that's no, because I didn't need the title for my. It was a new vehicle, but yeah.
Because they have to do like a VIN inspection, don't they? Usually when you do the title transfer and stuff.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I honestly couldn't tell you. So
Yeah,
if
you're
there's,
from here.
yeah.
I'm
So-
a transplant.
oh, okay. So yeah, just try that, see if that works, and then
I appreciate it, man.
that's it. All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for having insurance, because if not, then I would have towed it. So,
Yeah.
all right, take care.
So as I'm driving through this dust cloud, this vehicle just swerved off the road pretty severely. We're gonna go stop them, make sure they're not driving under the influence. (19) traffic.
19.
I'll be Mount Charleston and Rodeo with Nevada 212 Zebra Robert George dark in color sedan.
South 19, copy.
Recording.
Yeah, 5, I'll be clear. Yeah, 5, copy.
Hello, Deputy Cunningham, Knight County Sheriff's Office. The reason I stopped you swerving and you swerved all the way off the road back
I
there.
did. I dropped my phone.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
I had 1 beer.
Okay.
Yes. There's this. Let me grab my registration.
Where are you coming from?
My friend's house, literally just right there on Calvada, and as I pulled out, I dropped my phone.
Okay. So she admitted to having some alcohol. We're gonna get her out on field sobriety test and see where she's at. She does have a little bit of slurred speech. Once I get her out of the vehicle, I can check her eyes, see a little bit better, see if I smell alcohol on her breath. It is windy, so it does make hard sometimes. But based on the driving pattern, that's pretty bad. South 19, 1 out, Nevada.
South 19. B2 is -1 for the valid Class D Charles. Expires 1 of 29 with negative restrictions.
Copy, thank you. Would you mind stepping out of the vehicle for me, please? So, based on the driving pattern, your speech is a little slow.
Yeah, 5.
So, would you be willing to do
I'm
field
having
sobriety
some
test?
issues. Can you show me extra control light?
Alright, just hang out right here. They're not on patrol.
No.
They're documentary.
I don't care.
They can have you blurred out. So.
I don't care. I don't want a part of this.
Okay. So he's in a public space. He has the right to do it. So.
To film me?
Yeah. This is public space. He can, but we can talk to him afterwards.
Yeah.
No. All right. So just hang out here. I'm gonna grab a clipboard with all the stuff on it. All right. If you mind, we're gonna walk over here. That way we're not in the middle of the road, and that way we don't get hit. Just come right down the street. Alright, this will work right here where it's nice and flat.
I'm one woman. That's necessary?
So, on DUIs, we do secondary units because one's observing, one's testing. It's not like anything personal. So. Alright. So, you said how much alcohol?
I had about 1 beer.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any injuries? You have epilepsy, sensitive to flashing light? Any medications you take? You smoke marijuana? Okay. Any illegal drug use? Okay. Let's see. Any recent accidents? Okay. All right. Are your shoes, clothes comfortable?
Yeah, I am wearing Crocs though.
Like I've seen people go hiking in Crocs.
Absolutely.
So they're good. All right. All right, I'm going to administer a series of tests to determine whether or not you're impaired. My evaluation will be based upon how well you follow the instructions and how well you perform the test. Understood? All right. So, go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and come where it's nice and flat. Feet together, hands at the side. And so what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Continue to follow until I tell you that the test is over. Understood? Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. Eyes only.
You go so far from the peripheral.
That's the goal.
Okay.
Okay, here goes.
Units at Charleston, the radio status.
Go for it.
Step, good one.
All right, the next will be the walk and turn test. So we can use this line right here where you see the dark spot in the road. That way it's easy.
Okay.
All right, so what I'm gonna have you do is place your left foot on the line. Take your right foot, place it heel to toe in front of your left. Go ahead and have your hands down by your side, watching your feet. Maintain this position until I tell you otherwise, okay?
Okay.
So what you're going to do is you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps, arms at the side, watching your feet and counting out loud. It's going to look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you get to the end, you're going to leave your lead foot planted, take a series of small steps, return back down the line, 9 heel to toe steps, counting out loud, watching your feet, hands at the side.
Okay.
Understood?
Sure.
All right, you.
I should walk there?
If it makes you feel more comfortable. All right, so yep.
Am I good to go?
Yep, go ahead and begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. All right, last is the one leg stand. So you can have your shoes on or off if you like.
Okay.
So same thing, feet together, hands at the side. So what you're going to do is you're going to raise a leg of your choice, either one, and you're going to raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground with the foot parallel to the ground. You're going to keep your arms and legs straight, watching your raised foot, counting out loud in the manner of 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Understood?
All right.
You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023.
You can stop.
2024.
Would you be willing to do a preliminary breath test?
David 10-3. David 10-3.
Very simple. Wrap your lips around the straw. Have a deep breath before. Keep blowing until I tell you to stop. Blow out. Hard. Harder. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
Seems about right. What? So that seems about right.
Yeah, I'll run your form.
Alright, so you're not over the legal limit. You're a little bit more than half. Alright, do you have somebody that can come pick you up?
My friends live right there. I literally just pulled out of their driveway.
Okay. Because there's... I can certainly understand you said you dropped your phone. But you are showing signs of intoxication. I personally don't feel safe letting you back on the road. So if you can have someone come pick you up, it would be awesome.
Okay. Literally just right there.
Cool.
Sounds good. Do I need to sign anything or do anything else?
Nope, you're good.
Thank you.
Yeah, she failed all three, but you could just tell it was close, but not. Instructions, yeah.
No, not that. It's just physical.